Oh, the 240's looking really good. That's one thing I hate about selling Ronnie this car, is that I put a bunch of cool stickers on it. Now all my stickers are going to be his stickers, until he removes them. Well, this is the last step before Ronnie can take this thing out and thrash it and drift it, or even drive it around in the city without it being annoyingly loud. He's going today to get the downpipe cut up and welded up and fitted onto the car. What are you doing?
Oh, I just gotta put these studs in and lock them down before I take it. That way he can bolt it all together.
Huh. So what else Paul doing?
Well, he is going to make this WRX downpipe fit the truck.
Is this the old truck downpipe also?
Yeah, so this is the old one. And the whole reason we chose this, like the whole reason I'm going with this, because I had it laying around, and it's the same shape.
And what's that downpipe from?
A WRX, a GD, so like...
Is that an aftermarket?
Yeah. I don't know what kind. Maybe eBay? I have no idea.
So he's just going to cut that up and make it pretty much the same shape as that one down there?
Yeah, because it's already, like, it's so similar.
Yeah.
You know, when you look at them, it's so similar. It shouldn't take much work at all.
Alright, so we're dropping it off this evening and we expect to have it back when?
Hopefully by this weekend.
Dope. I think we said it in an earlier video. If you're gonna do a custom turbo setup on any vehicle, plan to have some fabrication work done by a pro if you don't do welding yourself. I mean, whether it be exhaust manifold, like turbo manifold, or intercooler piping, maybe even an intake or something like that. There's always fab work that needs to be done.
Yeah, like this truck has the intake done. We had to have that made. And the downpipe and exhaust were all made. And the blast pipe for the turbo, obviously.
Oh, right on. What is this over here? It appears that we have a single overhead cam 240SX intake manifold. What's that all about?
I don't know, that's interesting.
Is that going on this?
Most likely, eventually, yeah, that and a 240 cam.
Nice. Does the 240 cam just drop right in this truck single overhead cam?
Yeah, the truck cam's like... The truck cam and intake are made for like a little more torque, not as much horsepower, and the 240 is made for more horsepower and less torque.
Well, look forward to that video where we put this intake manifold in this truck.
Alright guys, so we're headed to Paul's right now. Bo's towing me. See right there? He's in the fun truck. I'm in the drip truck. Gonna drop this thing off, call it a day, see what he has to say about the exhaust, see what it's gonna cost for him to finish it up. I'll let you guys know what's going on and get back to you. Alright guys, we dropped off the truck at Paul's. There she is. Say goodbye. He said he's gonna try and knock it out tonight, or at least get started on it. Hoping to have it back by the weekend. Then we can go have some fun.
Woohoo! Fun!
Should I try and unhook this?
So we had a little problem. We had a little burnt wire. Not a huge deal. Not a huge deal. We'll get it squared away. But in honor of Ronnie's truck running again, we're gonna take and apply the first shiny local loser sticker to his hard body.
It'd be funny if they cut it backwards.
That would be awesome if they cut it backwards.
Like this? What do you think?
I like it like that.
Oh, it's stuck on there now. So.
Look at that. Nice job.
Now we gotta make it run again.
All right, let's get to it. Time to tow this truck.
Tow it home. We had a problem. It's kind of the point of a shakedown, so make sure you do that. I think this wire grounded out somewhere, maybe, possibly. It burnt the whole way, all the way to the battery, and it's probably burnt all on the inside. So we're gonna do a little bit of change in. I forgot to put a fuse on here, so that's all my fault. But we're gonna bring the relays are inside the car. We're gonna bring them out into the bay, and we'll just have one small wire going to the switch. Yeah, I thought it was a head gasket. I almost threw up. It's pretty bad. Luckily, it was just a wire. Anyways, not that big of a deal. Truck ran pretty good.
We think that maybe the wire rubbed in half where it goes to the firewall right there. We probably should have put a grommet right there, but this whole wire is burned all across the firewall right here. So we towed it back, and here we are.
At it again.
Indeed.
It'll be running soon.
Yeah.
For real.
Hey, guess what's still running? Hey, Kimberly. The Ford's still running. The Ford hasn't broke down yet.
Surprising.
Whatever. It needs a local loser sticker right there.
It just needs a loser sticker right there.
That's it. Thanks for joining us with a shakedown run. Gone wrong. Or gone perfect, however you look at it.
Yeah, I mean, I guess that's kind of the point. So maybe it was the perfect thing to show what shakedown runs are for.
Yeah, indeed. All right, we'll see you guys later.
Later.